for the right vehicle? Check out the 2012 Ford Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM CD, MP3 radio, center armrest, rear window defroster, power windows, compass, CD player, trip computer, electronic stability control, tachometer, overhead console, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, brake assist, power driver's seat, rear window wiper. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.